good. Leave it in second gear for us, because we've got a really steep hill a bit further up. Okay. Deal with the situation here. It says give way. No one's coming. You might be able to go. We've got to be ready to slow if there are. Happy? Check and gas. Go. Go, 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 go. Go. Now, we'll be at the point where we'll need third, but we're not going to use it, because third won't be powerful enough. Make sense? So this is what you would do up a steep hill. Just keep it in second all the way up. Make sense? Don't want to be slowing down either, Jess. Good. Excellent. So you keep the engine revs high to keep the power, you keep a lower gear to keep power, and you keep going as much as possible. Happy?
Yeah.
What did we do last time with the little traffic calming situations? Anyone overtaking us? Carry on, off we go. Would now third gear be suitable? Yeah. Okay, good. Anyone overtaking us again? Who's coming the other way? All good, well done. Distance to the van was great. Which mirror to come back? Come on, keep working. Yeah. Can't just stay around things, you've got to check. Yeah. So what's the same? What goes up must come down. Okay. Remember what we've said about lower gears and helping. Okay. This hill downhill is actually steeper than the one we've just come up. Good. Off the gas. Clutch down into 2. Lift and find the bike. And less gas. Can you feel that lower gear holding it back? You still might need a little bit of brake. Make sense?
Yeah. Doesn't feel right.
Okay.
But
can you see how it benefits?
yeah.
Okay. Good job, Jess. End of the road, turn us right.